next time we'll do some river trekking. Okay, so hopefully there's somebody will give us a GoPro. Yeah, even second-hand GoPro. Anything we do. Soon we'll do some river trekking. Right? Okay. Bye. Okay guys, we can see waterfalls nasa itong background na. Yes, along the way only guys, along the way. We're here at the sulfur. Yes, kita mo, aso-aso. Yes, and nata sa entrance sa Pulang Bato Falls, and then hot spring there. The hot spring. So we're here at the entrance of the Pulang Bato Falls. It's only 1 km, so we can see jeeps at on likod. So that's the only jeep na inyong sakyan po if you are commuting. So mag-commute mo, na inyong sakyan ka ng jeep pa, right? So this is the way, the waterfalls. Before ta makaabot sa waterfalls, there's a hot spring. Kailangan dato i-check kung tagpila ang entrance hot spring. And then it's a nice mountain, my background. Nice mountain, and yes, that mountain. There's a way here. So asa rin siya paingon. Atong natawon kung asa ni siya padulong. So maybe we can makasaka tabay. So ang ibili ng bike. Okay, so it's only a shortcut man. So maybe they make this one kung di sila makaagi. River nga mo overflow ang baka talo diri. So mas taas man yung bridge. I thought there's a way up there in the mountain. We just arrived here at the Pulang Bato Waterfalls. Yes, this is the waterfalls, and yeah, una siya entrance. So we must pay 50 na po para sa entrance for the vlog guys. So 50 tani. Alright, no choice, it's always 50 man. Right. May butang sa tok-tok naman bawal ng kapsul na. Asa ba? Ya lang may butang sa. Yes, dilo ba? Ano ari tong tag-iya ako na kung bali niya. Dilo ba man kay hindi magpasugan na magmotor o sige sa dia. Parang ala mas pili. Ano. Apa ko na? Parang tono niya na ako parang. Okay. Wala ari malakad sa? Wala ra ba? Kung gamit ano dito? Kira. Solo nang ipakon. Pangita sa skihor. Alright, so karon mubayad ta direct entrance. Good morning. Naragya po ng waterfalls. Naragya dalan to. Let's go. This is only a replica. May siyang pool. I wonder why there's no people here. Alright, let's go up there. So if we're planning here, so nasa yung mga cottage. So it's for rent, guys. Okay, let's go up there to the Waterfalls. My shades of glory, man. Oh, another waterfalls, man. So nakapinsan, diba? Oh, be careful here, man. This buwis buhay. Buhay. Ever mahulog ng cellphone na ni Ron. Goodbye to the vlog squad. Okay. Behind me is the first waterfall. Nahulog ang cellphone ka, biyaw kayo. So, balik ko sa taas at the biggest waterfalls, man. Balik sa taas. Biyaw yun ang akong ban. Monopads. Balik ka, the biggest waterfalls.
Pero pang temporary yun eh.
There na ay naka-waterfalls na gamay, but gamay lang siya. Let's go to the other waterfalls. Then makita na to tunggan overlooking the resort. Ako dito sa taas, I'm on top of the resort. Ano yung pinaka highest point sa resort, but yeah, overlooking. So up there is the only way we can go to the waterfalls. Okay. It's nice to vlog like English speaking, man. Alright. So, yes. Walking with the big rocks here. So they say this is a Pulang Bato, but I didn't say Pulang a stone. Pulang a stone, man. Okay, Pulang a rock, right? Don't see anything. Okay, let's go up there. So, I will put the pods inside my bag. Okay. Alright. Just see my background, man. So let's go there. Next waterfalls. But dito tayo maligo, guys. The weather is not good. Parang uulan na. Kailangan natin mag-ingat. Baka if nandyan tayo sa tubig, it's difficult for us to get out, man. So, right. Okay. Trekking is the best exercise ever had. So before, sa una ba? We used to trek. So, siyempre, atong timbang kamay, di ba? So, try na to nagbalik. It's a little bit scary going here, huh? Because ulan gabi eh. So it's very slippery. Then we just found another pool here. It's a natural pool, man. Maybe you can't hear me because then the pool, man. Then the other waterfall there. That's the other waterfall. Ako lang na dito, guys. So, malagsara. May lang tao makaari dito. So, there nga mo kung sila. Go sa trekking. So, they can go here. So, check that. The weather is nice. Then, just go here, man. Go here. So we're here now at the last waterfalls here in Pulang Bato Falls. So yes, lisod na siya ito nito, guys, because I'm just here sitting in a big stone. Yes, big rock like that. So before diri mi sa una, way back 7 years ago, diri na tako to. I will not go there. So that's all. So let's go back to the bike kay Muto na. Then we will go back to the hot spring. So let's go back to the hot spring, guys. Okay. Okay. Whee! Guys, I'm done here at the Pulang Bato hot spring. Go back to Dumaguete. So, go back to Dumaguete.